not much is happening in our backyard garden right now. We are still waiting for the weather to get colder before we can switch to cold-loving crops like the green leafy vegetables, the root vegetables, and the snow peas and sugar snap peas. But we have some blooming flowers like the roses. And this is so very fragrant, and this one too. They are from the same bush actually. So we have roses here, and we have this like Mexican sage, and so just more of like flowers. We have the orange trumpet here. This is gorgeous. And then we also have, I forgot the name of these flowers, but they are so beautiful too. Like some tiny lemons like this one growing or changing from green to yellow. And we have a lot of calamansi. We have some pears and bitter melon, and the shiso started flowering or started bolting. So those are the sort of happenings at this time. So this is the time when we are about to transition from summer loving crops to cold loving crops. Bitter melons here, this, and then here too, and we have this one, tiny one growing here, and we have a lot of calamansi or calamondin. And then we have this is a fig tree. It's about to change, like the foliage is about to change to like yellow. And then we have like pears. I think I need to harvest the pears. This, and we have let's get this one. We have the pears here, there, this one, and some on the ground. The shiso has bolted, and then those seeds will fall in the ground for like, and then grow back next season. I am making pumpkin waffles with a mix that we got from Trader Joe's. The waffles are for me and Josh, and then I made pimiento cheese for the husband. And also he wanted like fried eggs or like scrambled eggs. Then butter, melted butter. Look at this. And then water. This smells so good. The mix truly smells like autumn or fall with this very fragrant like pumpkin mix. I am making pumpkin waffles using the pumpkin mix from Trader Joe's. So that's like a pumpkin pancake and waffle mix. I'm preheating the waffle maker right now, and then this is pretty quick to make. Yum yum. Pumpkin waffles. Here you go. Sprinkle with like powdered sugar. Let's eat. What's the pumpkin? It's good. Waffles. I would like to share with you this stone dish drying mat that was gifted to me by Kitchen Raku. It dries up everything so very quickly, like fruits, vegetables, dishes. Like I put plates in here or like bowls, and they dry up so quickly. And this is very easy to clean. You can just wipe it, or you can clean this with like a sponge. And I love the elegant design. I love the color combination of the white, the gold, and the black. It's so stylish. It's so chic. The property of this stone is to absorb like a moisture. This is super absorbent. Will help like dry anything like really fast that you put in here, and can be used in like vegetables, fruits. This is very easy to clean. So those are the properties. If you don't have one yet, get one. And this is the stone dish mat up close. I'm about to clean the house and would like to share with you the vacuum cleaner that I have been using for a few weeks now. This was gifted to me by Lego and I super duper like it. It is a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner, so it can clean like dry, like dust particles, hair, and other like stuff, and then it can also like clean like wet stuff like liquid spills. And also it is it's not just a vacuum cleaner, it also has like a blower function. Now that it's fall and the leaves are falling, this is so perfect too as a like blower. You can blow those like leaves. Like switching this to the other side here, then it changes to from like vacuum to blowing. Now let's try on this thing. This is super useful since it's portable. I can use this to blow dry the leaves in our backyard. I can use this as a vacuum cleaner in our house and even in our car. So I can bring this here in the garage and vacuum clean our cars using this one. So it's a vacuum cleaner and a blower, a 3-in-1 vacuum dry, vacuum wet, and then blower. And it's portable, you see? You can like move around. There is a battery. The battery is rechargeable. So this is the battery. This battery is compatible with other Lego products, and this can last up to like 30 minutes continuous running. When using the dry vacuum, there is a HEPA filter here, and then when you need to use like a wet vacuum, there is like a sponge. The sponge is like in the back. So like anywhere you go, anywhere you would like to clean up, you could carry this. So this is super duper useful. If you don't have one yet, get one. This is from Lego. Tonight's dinner is chicken. I marinated the chicken overnight in this garlic marinade from the Cuban market, from the Cuban restaurant, Versailles. I have 2, 4, maybe a dozen. And then potatoes and broccolini. We had broccolini yesterday and we're having broccolini again today. I went to the market because we super liked it yesterday, so I went to the market earlier today to get broccolini, and it's quite like pricey. It's like one pack is like almost $7 actually. I'm going to plant broccolini this season. So here you go. I preheated the oven already to 400 degrees. I'll bake this for maybe an hour and a half, and then I will roast potatoes and also the broccolini, and then probably this bread. I'm still waiting for this bread to like totally like proof. So I have this like bread, sourdough bread.
What are you cooking today, Mommy?
Roast chicken.
Sounds good.
And then this one, the bread. So, sourdough bread. Chicken is ready. Now I am preparing these potatoes on this odd cook steamer. This is super handy to have, especially when you really cook a lot. It's so perfect. You know, it's like compact, and you could steam the potatoes, you could steam anything there, and then you could also make soup at the bottom. Anyway, on this one, I need to cook broccolini. Guess how much this broccolini is? It's quite expensive. $5? No, not that much. $7 for this. So the potato is steaming, the chicken is ready. Now I am cooking the broccolini, and then the bread is in the oven. 1 second now. 1 second, then I'm getting the bread. Ooh, the bread is here. That's our bread.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Thank you, Josh.
I want to eat it right now.
1 second, we need to.
When I go there now, I smell it.
1 second, guys. We need to wait. Wait. Oh. Hi, Josh. How's our dinner? Which one do you like?
Probably the sourdough bread.
You like it, Josh?
Sarap.